Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add debit card and Venmo. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a debit card to your Venmo account. First, open your web browser and go to Venmo's official site. Here, you need to go to the Help Center page where you can find all the detailed instructions to add a card from the web. Go to your payment methods, click Add Bank or Card, select debit or credit card, and then enter your card information. It's that simple. If you're using the Venmo app, start by tapping the Me tab, go to your wallet section, tap Add Bank or Card, select Card, and then enter your card details manually or use your phone's camera. By following the steps, your debit card will be successfully linked to Venmo in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.